In this video, I'll show you how you can download AliExpress videos for dropshipping. You can do this all inside of AliExpress, so let me show you how. So first you need a video. So I'm downloading this video here of a security camera. So what you need to do is go to the page where the video is. So the video should be the first slide. Now don't go ahead and play the video. Just go ahead and hover over it. And you want to make sure you've got the copyright rights to this video, or you can use it and it's free to use. But anyway, to download the video, you want to right click on the video, then go to inspect. Then that will take you here to inspect element. And then what you want to do now is type Control F on your keyboard and this will pop up here. And what you can do now is type in MP4, then click enter. And that will take you to a link here. So you can see here we've got an MP4 link. Now we can right click on this link and open it in a new tab. And that will open just the video. So here you can see here is the video. Let me just play it. And if you wanted to download it, you want to then right click on the video and then save video as. And then you can download it here to your downloads, click save. That's all you've got to do. I hope that video did help you out.